What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? I asked you a question. All right, guys, we're here in a car accident, and two police officers. Guy hit a tree. Yep, I'm here, guys. Guy hit a tree, guys. Damaged his truck. Got two police cars here. This police officer, right when I walked up, threw this in the grass. I don't know what the hell he threw this right here in the grass. The cop did when I came up. So apparently that's what they think of Redlands or something. Let's go over here, get the front of the truck, get the damage and stuff. Oh, run, cameras, run. Shit, run, there's cameras. So I don't know how he ended up hitting a tree. Looks like a single vehicle accident. It's non-injury. Sergeant's on scene. Well, they have 3 police cars. He's got to find a way to tow it, huh? Look at the one cop looking at my camera. Are these both tow drivers, or is that the driver of the truck? Because, boy, he's sure getting a giggle out of smashing into this tree with his car. I don't know what's so funny. But boys sure getting a laugh, aren't they? It's a giggle. It's funny, man. Smash that damn tree with my car. That's so funny. The cop just pointed at something. He was looking at me. They're following me with my camera. Oops, I tried to do something and I just put it right on, didn't I? Yeah, he had something in his hands. I should have seen what that was. And I threw it on, right when I came up, he threw it out on the ground. I don't know what that is. I should have walked over there and seen. But there you go, Redlands. That's what they all think of your city. Just throw trash on the ground. Even if it was already there, he picked it up. He might as well just walked it over to the trash can or something. No, he just threw it in the grass. So are these both tow drivers then? I see the guy's got work pants. If that's his truck, boy, he's getting a giggle out of smashing into that tree, ain't he? This is a funny, that's the funniest thing that's happened to me all week. I smashed into a tree and knocked it over. If he's not the driver, though, if he's of this truck, then I don't know what's so funny. Am I being facetious? Just let me know in the comment section if I'm being facetious or cynical. Which word fits? Yeah, he could be a tow driver in training. What it could be. Yeah, I wasn't sure how bad this accident was. But you got a flatbed up here. I guess they don't need the flatbed, because this guy can get it. Only thing is that grill, that bumper right there is going to drag. It's going to cause sparks. I want to see that when he pulls it out, how it starts dragging. You guys hear me coughing? That's the early morning. Need a cigarette and coffee. What are they looking at over here behind me? Now he's on the radio. There's the sergeant and 2 officers. So must be a slow day in Redlands. 3 cops respond to a traffic accident with a tree knocked over. I guess they thought it'd be an injury, but it's not, so now what? Stay on scene until it's over. Doobie doobie doo. I hit the tree because I was going too fast, and now I'm out walking on the middle of my ass, oh Lord. I'm not going to try to sing, it's too early. I was going to try that one, but it's too early. See what this cop's doing. He's probably going back to work. Getting in his car, gonna drive away. Then I'm gonna film him in some other way, oh Lord. That is my desire. Redlands, Popo, you're a liar. There's nobody in the back of any of the cars. I can see through the windows. I looked that to see maybe if it was a DUI, but there's nobody in the backs of any of the cars. He has to be the driver of that truck right there. I don't think he's assistant tow driver or anything. Well, he sure was getting a laugh out of hitting that tree. Boy, I knocked that tree over with my truck and smashed in the front. Okay, so they're going to shut down the road right here so that the tow driver can get out. Told you. That was just on the curb. It might not drag. It's got a little bit of space there. It drug off the curb. What a way to wake up on a Saturday morning. No cop watching tonight. Tonight is family time with wifey and the kids. Tomorrow is Sunday. Sunday's always family time. I don't ever go out Sundays unless I really have to. Unless something happens right there in Yucaipa. As far as cop watching and driving, I don't usually go out. Oh, so that's the flat. Okay, so that wasn't the driver of the truck. That's the flatbed driver. So there you go. Now you have it. Still, he's getting a laugh out of it. I don't know. Hey, that's fine. I don't mean to be cynical. So that was the flatbed driver. There you go. So I don't know what happened to the driver of this truck unless they went to the hospital. The AMR did respond. So the AMR may have taken this driver to the hospital. This is like any of the cops went with it. So, and there's nobody in the back of any of these police cars. So he's taking pictures of the scene. Take a picture of that piece of trash you guys threw on the ground over there. So you got to have 3 cops to take a picture, I guess, because well, he took like 2 pictures and then that was it. Bronx Towing got the young one out here today. I don't see Geraldo Grevera. Now, he works nights. So they got the young buck out here today picking up the truck. Couple Bronx Towings. Now, Grevera drives a flatbed. These cops doing? They're telling war stories. Yeah, I remember, man, and oh my God, they had this car upside down, hit a tree. And it was terrible. All right, guys, I'm gonna head back to the car. See, oh no, they're gonna take off, I think. They're not gonna wait on the city, so let's film the cops until they take off. I don't want them following me to my helicopter. I do lift off. I don't want them there. We're gonna film them just because we can. We have the right. You can see him grab his spotlight. It's daytime, dude. You can't be doing that. It ain't gonna work. So they're gonna have to wait on the city, I guess. There's the other one going away. He gonna go up that way. And then these 2 are gonna go right here. I guess they have to wait on the city to come out and move the tree, huh? Or he does. I don't know what he's doing. Hold his hand, maybe. Oh, make sure. What's he doing now? He asked him, do you need me to stay for the camera guy? All right, guys. Looks like that's it. Thank you.